Digital Banking Positive Pay. Let's enter your checks. Select Payments. Click Positive Pay. We'll first walk through how to manually add them. Click Add Checks. Select Add your checks manually. Choose the account the checks were written from. Enter the check number, account, payee name, type, and date. Select Debit if entering a new check. Select Void to invalidate a previously entered check. Add another check or click Review to continue. Review the details to edit or add another check if necessary. Click Approve when done. Select Approve to confirm. Click Done. The file will appear here as pending. Click Review and Approve. Double-check your entries and click Approve. Success! Click Done. Now let's upload a check file. Click Add Checks. Click here to ensure your file is formatted correctly. Match your column order and formatting. Select the account the checks were written from. Browse for your file and click Review Checks. Review the items and click Approve. Click Done or upload another if you have more items. Success! Your file was uploaded. Now let's decision your exception items. Select Work Exceptions. Click here to toggle between accounts. Review the item details, check the box to pay, or leave blank to return. Click Submit when done. Success! Your decisions have been recorded.